This is a quick video about 05 Honda Accord LX with 2.4 engine. I just replaced the Serpentine belt, accessory belt. This is just to show you the belt routing. I'm just going to show it to you on a diagram. So this way, if you just remove it and you forgot how to put it back on, I'm just going to show you how to. Okay, I got Continental 4070700. This is the built for the 05 Accord with a 4-cylinder engine. So this is the routing very much. Power steering pump, alternator, water pump, air condition, compressor, crank pulley, and the tensioner. When you release it, you gotta go this way toward the car to loosen the tension on the belt. Okay, so this is very much the routing for it. Thank you for watching.